Well, ahoy hoy Sonic Moto fans, I'm gonna vlog and hope that audio is recorded. And move over the lane and hope that I get in the place I need to be. It's been interesting. I did a vlog yesterday using the new audio setup with the H1N and realized that even though everything's on the hold mode where the buttons can't be pressed so the recording, it's a never-ending battle, people. If you have a GoPro, you're gonna run into issues. I mucho dislike GoPro some days, and well, as it so rudely cut me off because it just stopped recording like Walterific has been experiencing with his. Well, I was recording with the H1N and I realized that the audio was set to really low because the little input volume level for the recording that doesn't lock out even though you put the thing in lockout mode. So yeah, I had to delete that day of recording. However, let's go over some things that I've gone over in the past, but you never saw because deleted day of the recording. What has been going on? Well, I did some maintenance on the bike. I tested a front tire by V Rubber, and seemed pretty darn good. But as soon as I took off, this had a really bad wobble to it, so ended up putting my Road 5 back on there. Actually found out that my Road 5 was mounted backwards onto the wheel, which is never a good thing. I prefer it in the proper rotating direction. So, yeah. So I tested the tire, realized that it's not the best darn thing for me, and went back to the Road 5 in the proper orientation of the direction, where it treads water mucho better, I'm sure. I finally installed my Denali Sound Bomb air horn. I've had it for like a month, legit. It's just been sitting around, ready to be installed. I finally got to installing it. And it's loud. I like it. I like it a lot. Want to hear it? Yeah. I won't tap it a lot only because, you know, people. And I don't want to annoy everyone. But yeah, anyone that is looking into a compact air horn type thing, I highly recommend the Denali Sound Bomb. It is super loud, quality relay on it, and it's not too terribly hard to install yourself. I mean, other than mounting it on something like a V-Strom, it's tucked in there with just millimeters of the clearance. Just millimeters. Crazy. But yeah, we got it done, and I like the install. Today I'm testing the GoPro mic adapter yet again, so slightly audio change and quality. I figured I would put it to the test a little bit, see how it reacts and works and all that jazz. And yeah. But yeah, so much going on. I finally got some more bike maintenance done too. I mean, this was, I don't say 3 weeks ago. I got my spark plugs swapped. That was a huge pain in the butt to do. Especially the one behind the radiator, because there's 2 per cylinder on this V-twin engine. It's weird. Put a K&N air filter on it. Did my oil change. We still got to do coolant. I really don't look forward to doing coolant, nor do I know how to do coolant. But I suppose one must learn. But now I must go into Target and grab a few more things, get back out, and then maybe I'll talk about something else and then wrap up this vlog. Yeah.